6 insurance claim mistakes to avoid. Insurance is your financial safety net, providing critical support when unexpected events disrupt your life. However, filing an insurance claim can be a challenging process, especially if mistakes are made along the way. These errors can result in unnecessary delays, reduced payouts, or even a denial of claims. For policyholders, being informed can make all the difference in ensuring a smooth and stress-free claim process. In this video, we outline 6 common insurance claim mistakes and how to avoid them to maximize your claim's success. The foundation of a smooth claim process starts before an incident even happens, by properly understanding your insurance policy. A common mistake many policyholders make is neglecting to review their insurance policy in advance. Without understanding your coverage, you may face surprises when filing a claim. Most policies include specific guidelines, exceptions, and limits that detail what is covered and under what circumstances. For example, you might assume all forms of water damage are covered, only to find out that flood damage is excluded unless you've added a specific rider for it. Similarly, certain time frame requirements for filing claims might catch you off guard if you're unfamiliar with the fine print. How to avoid this mistake? Take time to thoroughly review your policy when you first purchase it and annually upon renewal. Sit down with your insurance agent to clarify any confusing terms or coverage details. Being proactive ensures you're not caught off guard when you need to file a claim. Time is of the essence when it comes to filing an insurance claim. Many policyholders delay reporting an incident to their insurance provider, thinking they have ample time, or they may want to resolve immediate concerns first. However, delaying the filing process can backfire significantly. Most insurance policies have strict deadlines for submitting claims, and if you miss these deadlines, your claim could be denied outright. Furthermore, delays may weaken your case, as evidence of the damage or incident can deteriorate or be harder to verify over time. How to avoid this mistake? As soon as an incident occurs, prioritize notifying your insurer. Start documenting the events immediately by taking photos or videos of the damage and writing down details such as the date, time, and nature of the incident. Report the claim to your insurer at your earliest convenience to ensure compliance with deadlines and to secure the necessary support. Accuracy and honesty are key when submitting an insurance claim. Errors, inconsistencies, or omissions in the details you provide can raise red flags for your insurer, potentially delaying the claim process or causing it to be denied. In some cases, even unintentional mistakes may be interpreted as a sign of fraud. For example, failing to include minor damages in your initial claim report or providing contradictory information about the cause of the damage could lead to issues. Insurance companies rely on your account of events to process claims efficiently, so any discrepancies may prompt additional scrutiny. How to avoid this mistake? When filing a claim, double-check all information before submitting it. Create a checklist to ensure you include necessary details, such as the exact date and time of the incident, a clear description of the damage, the cause of the event, if known, and any relevant documentation. If you're unsure about what to include, contact your insurance representative for guidance. Proper documentation is one of the most critical elements in the claims process. Unfortunately, many policyholders fail to provide enough supporting evidence such as photos, videos, receipts, or repair estimates. Without comprehensive documentation, proving the extent of your loss to your insurer becomes much more difficult. Imagine filing a claim for roof damage after a storm without before and after photos of the affected area. Without proof, the insurer might question whether the damage happened during the storm or before it. Similarly, a lack of receipts for stolen property can make it harder to validate replacement costs. How to avoid this mistake? Always document the incident as thoroughly as possible. Take photos or videos immediately after the event to capture the damage in its original state. Create a digital or physical file to store receipts for high-value items and keep repair estimates or invoices for reference. Police reports, where applicable, can also serve as valuable supporting evidence. After experiencing property damage or any other loss, it's natural to want to address the issue as quickly as possible. However, jumping into repairs before your insurer gets a chance to inspect the damage is a costly mistake. Insurance adjusters need to assess the condition of your property shortly after the incident to verify the extent of the damage and determine compensation. If you make repairs prematurely, the adjuster might not accept your claim, as they will have no way of confirming the original state of the damage. However, insurers often allow temporary measures if they prevent further harm, such as boarding up a broken window or covering a roof leak. How to avoid this mistake? Contact your insurer immediately after the incident to schedule an inspection before making any major repairs. Document the damage thoroughly before initiating any temporary fixes and keep receipts for repair materials. Always inform the insurer of temporary actions to ensure they're aware of your efforts to mitigate further losses. After filing a claim, many policyholders feel eager to resolve the situation and move forward. As a result, they may accept the first settlement offer from their insurance company without reviewing it. While insurers strive to offer fair compensation, their initial offer may not always cover the full extent of your losses. For instance, if repair costs or replacement values are underestimated, you could end up paying out of pocket for expenses that should have been covered by your policy. Rushing to accept an offer might also prevent you from negotiating a better settlement. How to avoid this mistake? Take your time to evaluate the settlement offer carefully. Compare the offer against your documented losses and repair estimates. If the payout seems insufficient, consult an insurance expert, attorney, or public adjuster for advice. You have the right to negotiate or dispute the offer if it doesn't align with your policy coverage. Aside from avoiding the 6 common mistakes outlined above, there are a few extra steps you can take to ensure the claim process is as efficient as possible. Stay calm and organized. Emergencies can be stressful, but keeping a clear head will help you manage the process effectively. Establish clear communication. Build a direct line of communication with your insurer or claims adjuster to stay informed about the progress of your claim. Follow up consistently. Regularly check on the status of your claim to ensure you meet any additional requirements or deadlines requested by your insurer. Review your policy. Annually, an annual review of your coverage will keep you prepared and allow you to update your policy as your needs evolve. Filing an insurance claim doesn't have to be a daunting process, but mistakes can complicate things unnecessarily. To recap, the 6 common insurance claim mistakes to avoid are: failing to review your policy in advance, delaying the filing process, providing incomplete or inaccurate information, skipping proper documentation, making repairs before the inspection, and accepting the first settlement offer without review. By staying informed, proactive, and organized, you can navigate the claims process with confidence and protect your financial well-being. Remember, understanding your policy and avoiding these pitfalls empowers you as a policyholder. Insurance is a vital component of financial security, so take steps today to ensure you're well prepared in case you ever need to file a claim. Review your insurance policy thoroughly, consult a trusted agent to clarify coverage details, and make sure you know the process for submitting a claim. If you found today's video helpful, please like, subscribe, and share it with friends and family to help them avoid these common claim mistakes and learn how to handle their insurance claims like pro. Don't forget to hit that notification bell to stay updated on all our latest content. If you need personalized advice or have any questions, don't hesitate to call me at +43 664 9921 154 or write to info@finsurance.at.